Samunana nginibingelele nginamukela le channel yaMasweti Mina Production okubingelelayo umxolisi mfana kaDlomo uma ngabe yaqala ukufika le channel cela ukuthi ungenzele iqiniso lokuthi uqofa subscribe maqedwe bale video ushaye like bese ke uyakhomenta lolu daba lo namhlanje nganza kwethu njengamanje ngifuna ke uyizwele amanye ke amaphuzu athe athintwa umnumzane Julius Malema ngenkathi ke iqembu le-EFF libungaza u11 years lelokhu ke lasungulwa ukhulumeke ngezinto ezifana nemfundo yamahala i-Wi-Fi connection yamahala kodwa nje libaluleke kakhulu elemfundo yamahala ethi ke into efana noNSFAS into ekumele ngabe ke iyakhanselwa umuntu ahlulelwe ngokuthi uphase kanjani ahlulelwe ngokuthi uphasile na ukuze akwazi ukufunda hayi ukuthi ahlulelwe ngokuthi umzali wakho unemali engakanani ukuze athole imali yesifundo ngicela ukuthi ke uyizwele ngawakho mangabe usuqedile ungenzele isiqiniseko sokuthi uqofa subscribe ya like bese uyakhomenta sidibana ku video lenelayo ngiyabonga.
Must be free Wi-Fi. Or liskaya kotropo lo batla mesebetsi le check on the wires or where are the vacant posts that way you don't lose any money which you don't have. Internet is not luxury, it's a basic necessity. Comrades, re batla hore di SRC kaofela tsa EFF they must cut chelete ya bona ya entertainment. But half of that budget, but fed the poor a meal every day because no one can study with an empty stomach. Our children at the universities, but felletsa ba robala le di sugar daddy ka re ba bolaya ke tlala. So EFF Student Command, comrades, we want free education. Education must be free, not application for NSFAS. We don't want NSFAS, we want free. How can I go skolo? Baska ubata affidavit. Ya mama haura sebets. What do you want? Do you want me or do you want my mother? Hey, what must earn you a seat at the university must be your brain, not your mother. Whether your mother is rich, whether your mother is poor, it's none of your problems. You are not your mother. You are yourself fighting for your own future. Let children be admitted at the TVET colleges, at the universities, through their results, not because they displayed their poverty. No one must display poverty. Wampatla, ubatla mponor kianana. Here are my results. Look at my result and make a decision because I'm a deserving student. My lecturer kaofela a robalang le bana ba dikolo ba ba fa di-course ba tsebo re tlo ba exposa ra ba blacklista ba sa sebetsa anywhere because no lecturer must sleep with our children in schools in exchange for marks. Re batla di-room kaofela mo le nnang teng, inside campus, outside campus, there must be free Wi-Fi. And Iswanti ibe in your residences. Why? We don't study during the day only. Knowledge does not sleep. Research does not sleep.